Hello everyone, welcome back to your AI Guru JE. I'm Ram Naresh Jha, and today we're diving into the top 10 AI tools revolutionizing HR. From hiring and recruitment to employee management, these tools streamline processes and boost efficiency. We're talking about automating repetitive tasks, gaining deep insights from data, and creating a seamless employee experience. Let's dive in. Our first AI tool is Lena AI, an intelligent virtual assistant designed to simplify HR tasks. Imagine having an always-available assistant who can answer employee queries instantly, automate routine tasks like leave requests and onboarding processes, and even provide self-service options for candidates. Lena AI integrates seamlessly with your existing HR systems, ensuring a smooth flow of information and processes. It's like having a dedicated team member handling all the administrative heavy lifting, freeing up your HR team to focus on more strategic initiatives. Lena AI enhances the employee experience by providing instant support and personalized interactions. Employees can get their questions answered quickly and easily, without having to navigate complex HR systems or wait for responses. For candidates, Lena AI offers a seamless and engaging experience from the moment they apply. So if you're looking for an AI-powered HR assistant to streamline your processes and enhance the employee experience, Lena AI is definitely worth checking out. Next up is Paradox AI, a conversational AI platform transforming the way companies recruit and hire. Imagine a world where candidates can get their questions answered, schedule interviews, and receive personalized updates, all through an intelligent chatbot available 24/7. Paradox AI acts as your virtual recruiter, engaging with candidates through conversational interfaces like SMS and chat. It can screen resumes, schedule interviews, and even answer frequently asked questions, all while providing a seamless and personalized candidate experience. This means no more back-and-forth emails, missed calls, or scheduling conflicts. Paradox AI streamlines the entire recruitment process, making it faster, more efficient, and less stressful for both recruiters and candidates. With Paradox AI, companies can reduce time to hire, improve the candidate experience, and free up their HR teams to focus on more strategic tasks. So, if you're ready to take your recruitment efforts to the next level with the power of AI, Paradox AI is definitely a tool you need to explore. Tool number 3 is Entelo, an AI-powered talent intelligence platform changing the game for recruiters. Entelo uses machine learning to scour the web and social media for potential candidates, going beyond traditional job boards and resume databases. It analyzes millions of data points to identify individuals with the right skills, experience, and cultural fit for your organization. Entelo helps you identify passive candidates who might not be actively looking for a job, but are a perfect match for your open roles. It's like having a team of virtual headhunters working tirelessly to uncover hidden talent. Entelo also provides valuable insights into the talent market, such as salary trends, skill gaps, and diversity metrics. With Entelo, you can say goodbye to the days of endless resume screening and cold outreach. So, if you're ready to supercharge your talent sourcing efforts and build a high-performing team, Entelo is definitely a tool you need in your arsenal. Fourth on our list is Zavy, an AI-powered recruitment tool enhancing the candidate experience. In today's job market, a positive candidate experience is crucial for attracting top talent. Zavy personalizes the candidate journey from start to finish. It offers personalized communication, automated feedback, and a seamless application process. Zavy streamlines communication, ensuring timely and relevant information. This positive experience can turn candidates into brand advocates, enhancing your employer brand. Fifth on our list is Personio, an all-in-one HR platform transforming the way businesses manage their people operations. Imagine a single platform that handles everything from hiring and onboarding to payroll and performance management, all powered by the intelligence of AI. Personio automates repetitive HR tasks, streamlines workflows, and provides valuable insights into your workforce data, freeing up your HR team to focus on more strategic initiatives. One of the key benefits of Personio is its ability to automate time-consuming tasks, such as onboarding, payroll, and benefits administration. This not only saves time and reduces errors, but also ensures compliance with labor laws and regulations. With Personio, you can say goodbye to manual processes and data silos, and hello to a more efficient, data-driven, and employee-centric HR function. So, if you're ready to transform your HR operations, Personio is the tool for you. Tool number 6 is Lattice, an innovative platform that uses AI to understand your most valuable asset, your employees. Lattice focuses on employee engagement and performance management, providing insights that traditional methods miss. Imagine gauging employee sentiment in real time, identifying issues before they escalate, and creating a valued work environment. Lattice analyzes feedback from performance reviews, surveys, and everyday communication. It identifies patterns, providing actionable insights to boost morale, productivity, and reduce turnover. Lattice offers tools for goal setting, performance tracking, and personalized development plans. Unlock your workforce's potential with Lattice, the AI-powered tool for a more engaged work environment. HiBob is a people management platform for the modern workplace, prioritizing remote work and employee well-being. It leverages AI to automate HR tasks and improve communication, creating a connected and engaged workforce, regardless of location. Employees can access pay stubs, request time off, and connect with colleagues easily. HiBob offers performance management and employee recognition tools. Embrace a modern, flexible, and employee-centric approach to HR. Empower your workforce and foster a positive company culture. Revolutionize your people management and attract top talent with HiBob. Tool 8 is Beamery, an AI-powered talent management platform that takes a holistic approach to attracting, engaging, and retaining top talent. Beamery understands that the employee journey doesn't end with hiring. It's an ongoing process that requires nurturing and support. Beamery provides a suite of tools that cover the entire talent lifecycle, from recruitment and onboarding to performance management and career development. One of Beamery's key strengths is its ability to create a personalized employee experience. It uses AI to understand individual employee skills, aspirations, and career goals, providing tailored recommendations for learning and development opportunities. Beamery also helps you identify high-potential employees and provide them with the support they need to advance their careers within your organization. With Beamery, you can move beyond traditional talent management practices and embrace a more data-driven, personalized, and strategic approach. So if you're ready to build a culture of continuous learning, growth, and development, Beamery is the AI-powered tool for you. Tool 9 is Vizier, an HR analytics platform that's all about empowering HR professionals to make data-driven decisions. In today's data-rich world, it's more important than ever to have access to accurate and actionable insights about your workforce. Vizier uses AI to analyze your HR data, uncovering hidden patterns, trends, and correlations that traditional methods often miss. Imagine being able to predict employee turnover, identify skill gaps, optimize your workforce planning, and measure the return on investment of your HR initiatives. Vizier provides a wide range of pre-built reports and dashboards that give you instant visibility into your workforce data. It also allows you to create custom reports and dashboards tailored to your specific needs. With Vizier, you can move beyond gut feeling and intuition and embrace a more data-driven approach to HR. So, if you're ready to make smarter decisions and optimize your workforce, Vizier is the tool for you. Last but not least, we have FEAI, an AI-powered performance management platform that's changing the way companies approach performance reviews and employee development. Gone are the days of annual performance reviews that are often dreaded by both managers and employees. FEAI helps you create a culture of continuous feedback and development, where employees receive regular feedback and coaching to help them improve their performance and reach their full potential. FEAI automates many of the tedious tasks associated with performance management, such as scheduling reviews, tracking goals, and providing feedback. This frees up managers to focus on what truly matters, coaching and developing their team. With FEAI, you can say goodbye to outdated performance management practices and embrace a more modern, continuous, and development-focused approach. It's about empowering your employees, fostering a culture of feedback, and driving business success through a high-performing workforce. So if you're ready to transform your performance management practices, FEAI is the tool for you. The future of HR is here. Those are the top 10 AI tools transforming HR today. Which one are you most excited to try? Comment below and let's chat. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your network, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI insights. By embracing these AI tools, businesses can streamline their HR processes, improve the employee experience, and gain a competitive edge in today's rapidly evolving business landscape. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and keep exploring the world of AI with your AI guru, JE.